Mix aloe with coffee and your hair will grow like crazy. This remedy is for all hair types. This mixture stops hair loss, fights dandruff, and accelerates hair growth. Bookmark this recipe so you don't lose it. To begin, we'll need aloe vera. Remove the peel and extract the crystal with the help of a spoon. Now, in the blender, add the aloe vera crystal and blend it very well. From which city are you watching us? Let me know in the comments. After this time, we'll put it in a container. Add 2 tablespoons of coffee and mix well. Coffee revitalizes the hair and detoxifies the scalp, reduces hair loss, prevents dandruff, and dyes the hair. We'll also add 2 tablespoons of sugar and mix. With wet hair, apply this mixture all over the scalp and wash off after 30 minutes. Save the video to favorites and comment, "Yes, I will use it."